So I think if I want to go to the top, I actually will need to meet a lot more people, and I will need to find some useful, some kind of trend, some kind of hype that is incoming. Not the hypes that are about to end, but the thing that is lame now, but will become hype soon. So it's a lot, I think, about the customers, about the people, about the buyers, about your team. I think I was underestimating this, and yeah, it's also about profits, right? You cannot survive without profits. It's like blood. It's like a nurturing power to organizations. People come together to hunt together, to acquire prey, and then divide it. So I think that's what I will need, and I will make it. But never mind, I hope you enjoyed these videos. Okay, soon at the top. Will I make it or not?